Who are you?
None of your business.
Yes, it is my business. This is my place, man. This is it.
So, whatever, man. Whatever I want to do. That was a rental event. It only took 3 days. Sad to say. How are you feeling? He pushed you. I guess he was very mad. He pushed. It's okay. I mean, you know, Russians. You know, they have. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because love way hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. Oh yeah, I love the way you lie. Woo! Yeah! What up? This is the library. This is where we, you know, get our books and stuff. This is where we get some research for all of our.
Hello, hello. This is split check. I'm excited to be here. Let me put my stuff. Oh, nurse, get him situated.
What are you doing? Representing the Americans today is none other than from. In this corner, we have Kelden Revna. He said Kelden.
Oh my gosh!
What?
Look!
What?
It's Everfort!
Whoa!
Holy crap!
It's like in the Harry Potter movies and books.
Holy crap! It's Everfort!
That's amazing. Hi, welcome to the World Chess Tour 2011. I am Isaac Smith, your American host. And I'm Vladimir Bizilsky. And? Well, today we have an exciting chess match that will... No, Tiger King!
I'm the best doctor.
Oh, wait, no. I wasn't supposed to stand up with my legs.
You didn't hit. That was all over your face. Oh god.
Let me watch it.
Okay. I did it! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my gosh.
Hi, I'm Isaac. Dang it! Click it. I'll throw from here. Ah! Hey, be here. Would you turn that down? Would you turn that down? Stop! I'm trying to see. I'm not.
Dude, you're freaking. Dude, don't do that.
This way.
Why are
Stop.
you going this way? This is the wrong way. This is the wrong
No,
way.
it's not. Turning.
Ah!
This way.
Okay, you're gonna have to turn left up here at this
I know,
stop
it's
sign.
easier. I know what I'm doing, Parker. Shut up. Stop.
I'm gonna
Stop.
drive.
Stop.
You're on the wrong lane.
No, I'm going this way.
Oh my gosh, it's hot.
Wait. Ah, dude, man, the Packers suck this year, man. You know who's that? Dolphins. Miami. Piss. Packers suck. You know who's legit? Packers. Nah, piss. And Dolphins. Bah! That's a trick question because everyone knows that NFL teams are located in cities, not states. Which no, because it's not gonna be good. God. Shut up.
Oh my gosh.
Shut up.
It's hot, Nate.
Stop while I'm driving.
Nate, I'm gonna die before I get to practice. I'm rolling down the
Stop.
window. Well, I want the window. Okay.
Stop. Parker.
There we go.
Parker, what's wrong?
Oh, that feels good.
Well, at least I'm not a...
This is a biography about Calvin, the person that is representing Russia today. A little known fact: he's from Russia. He worked very hard for his place in this match today, and he loves you, and he loves to eat bombs. Just bombs help his mainly diet. He can't study really hard. He just has to.
I can't.
Are you recording this? Stop recording! Okay.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, stop. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
That's a trick question because everyone knows that NFL teams are located in cities and the Dolphins are located in Oklahoma.
Alright. I'm just kidding. I was recording this.